Welcome, here I've got Vodafone Smart Platinum 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place here we have the photo size, so let's tap on it. Now we can manage the aspect ratio of the picture connected with the quality in megapixels. So let's focus now on aspect ratio. We are in 4:3, let's pick 16:9 and let's go back to the camera preview to see the difference. As you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it looks like. Another tap to the left corner to the photo size, and we can pick also 1:1 aspect ratio. And in the camera preview we can see that this is the square one. And also when we go back here, we can pick again photo size and go back to 4:3. I suggest you to keep this on the best possible quality, which is 16 megapixels to 4:3 ratio and 12 megapixels to the other ones, but of course you can pick here whatever you need and change this like that. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.